Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this Christmas tree storage bag that can fit up to 9 feet artificial Christmas tree. They have 4 options. This is a green one, but also they have a red one and they have them as well with wheels. In this case, I got sent out for review this one which has no wheels, but I love that it is pretty convenient. The zipper is very convenient. It is a waterproof material. It has 2 straps, so you can actually adjust the size of it, and it is not that bulky. Also, you can pull the Christmas tree if it is too heavy from the sides, and also you can carry it with the straps that it has. And the best of all is that it has the dual zippers, and that is a waterproof material and also protects it from the dust. So I love that all of these are convenient things. Besides that, it has a compartment on the front, so you can actually add a tag to it and you don't forget what you have inside. You can add the size of the Christmas tree in case that you have more than one Christmas tree.